Hello everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood librarian, Elaine. Today I want to introduce you to Interlibrary Loan, or ILL for short. This is the service we provide to expand your access to library resources. With ILL, you can request sources such as books, articles, media, and even more from other libraries. So, let's begin. First, you want to go to our library website, library.juniata.edu. Here, you'll see the library catalog front and center on the page. So let's say that you're looking for Super Navigators by David Barry. All you want to do is enter the title of that book and click enter to search. All right, so we have one result in the Stat and Learning Commons, which most likely means that we don't have that book within our library resources, right? So if you want to expand past our library resources, you want to go to the left-hand side of the page over here and click on Libraries Worldwide. This is how you expand your access to use that service. And the first two that pop up are exactly what we're looking for. When you have your search results pop up, the first thing you'll notice is that all the details are listed right next to or underneath the book. So let's click on the second title here to see how you can use ILL to get access to that book. Always double check all of the details for that title around this area right here. And once you realize that this is the specific title you're looking for, all you have to do is go to the right-hand side of the page over here and click on Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. So this button will take you to this form right here. All you need to do is copy down all the information possible about that specific title. And once you're finished with that, all you have to do is click Submit Request, and then you're finished. So once you put in that request, all you have to do is wait for library services to send you an email notification when your request is ready to pick up. Now, let's say you click on a title and you notice that this button isn't over here. Don't panic, there is another way to put in an ILL request. Again, go to the library website, and if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll notice that there's an Interlibrary Loan icon. So click on that, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see general information about ILL as a service. But over here on the right-hand side of the page, that is where you can click Article Request or Book Request. Simply click on the type of source that you are going to request, and it will take you to the very same form that I just showed you earlier. And it's as simple as that. Remember, this is a great way to expand your access to resources to support your research projects. However, do not procrastinate with this service. Requests take time to arrive, and the arrival time largely depends on the type of source you request and the lending library. Articles arrive faster than books, with an estimate of a few days, and books can take 1 to 3 weeks. It all depends on the lending library. And that's all for today. Thanks!